possible to learn a new skill set in 20 hours? Well, the answer is yes. Hello everyone, I'm going to share some insights about how to learn effectively, that too within 20 hours. And believe me, I will prove it. As rightly said by Leonardo da Vinci, time stays long enough for anyone who will use it. Let's start. Firstly, select an enduring project. Anything you dreamt of, like learning a new language, presentation skills, leadership skills, a performing art like dancing, playing guitar, anything. But determine and visualize, what do you want to learn? Why do you want to learn? And how will it add value to your personal self? Secondly, break down the desired skill into the smallest possible sub-skills. For instance, you want to learn a new language. The possible sub-skills could be reading, writing, listening and speaking. It could further be sub-skilled, like if you prefer reading, you can concentrate on skimming, proofreading and editing. Focus and prioritize the most important thing first to improve your performance in the least possible time. Exclude obstacles to practice. Any kind of diversion like television, games, friends, internet. We should be able to be more conclusive and firmer when it comes to practice. Emphasize on quantity and speed. Let me give you an example. 2 classes were assigned with the task of making clay pots with different instructions. One class was supposed to work on quantity while the other on quality. The class that specified quantity prepared 21 clay pots in a specified time, and in the same duration, the other class, stressing on quality, built only 3 but very fine pots. However, you will be amazed to know that the class working on quantity ultimately turned out to have made the superior quality, as by the time they reached 19th, 20th and 21st clay pots, as they have practiced enough and result was best. And lastly, make dedicated time for practice. The trouble comes when we confuse learning with skill acquisition. If you want to acquire a new skill set, you must practice it in context. Like if you want to be a wrestler or a swimmer, only theoretical knowledge won't work unless you practice in the wrestling ring or a swimming pool. This plan will only take your 40 minutes of learning and practicing every day for around 1 month, which eventually turns out to be 20 hours, but with the plan. You have to spend your 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. As a study shows, when you sleep, your body and brain consolidate your full day activities and shapes it in a better way. I will recommend you a book, The First 20 Hours by Josh Kaufman, and I'm sure it will be a game changer for you. I have another good read suggest. The book name is Time is Not Infinite, authored by Mr. Sadiq Al-Assad and Paula Rogeri. If you want, please leave your email ID in the comment section. I shall send you free ebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay skilled.